Hello viewers, and welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this. We have 8 to the power of 7 minus 8 to the power of 6 minus 8 to the power of 5. So for us to simplify this, let's have 8 to the power of 7 is the same as 5 plus 2 minus 8 to the power of 6 is the same as 5 plus 1 minus 8 to the power of 5. So from here, let's recall from law of indices, when we have a to the power of m plus n, this is the same as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this will become 8 to the power of 5 times 8 to the power of 2 minus 8 to the power of 5 times 8 to the power of 1 minus 8 to the power of 5. So our 8 to the power of 5 here times 8 to the power of 2 we have is 64 minus 8 to the power of 5 times 8 to the power of 1 is 8 minus 8 to the power of 5. Now we have 8 to the power of 5 common here, so we'll factor it out. To have 8 to the power of 5 times we have 64 here, we have minus 8 here, and we have minus 1. So simplifying, we have 8 to the power of 5, 64 minus 8 is 56, minus 1 we have 55. So let's recall our 8 is 2 to the power of 3. We can further raise it to the power of 5 times 55. So we have 2 to the power of, multiplying the powers, we have 15 times 55. So we can split this 15 to have 2 to the power of 10 plus 5 times 55. So we have 2 to the power of 10 times 2 to the power of 5 times 55. So our 2 to the power of 10 is 1024, and our 2 to the power of 5 is 32, and we can split this 55 to be 50 plus 5. So we can have 1024 times 32 times 50. When we multiply, we have 1006 plus 32 times 5, we have 160. So we can split our 1024 to be 1000 plus 20 plus 4 times, when we add this up, we have 1760. So resolving this, we have 1000 plus 20 plus 4, and we can split this into 2 to 1007 plus 60. So we'll be multiplying one at a time. We'll have 1000 times 17 plus 60 plus we have 20 here times 17 plus 60, and we have 4 here times 17 plus 60. So opening this bracket, this times this, we have 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, plus we have this times this, which is 60,000, plus we have 20. So we have 20 times 17, we have 34,000, plus 20 times 60, we have 12,000, plus we have 4 times 17, which is 68,000, plus we have 4 times 6, which is 24,000. So when we add up this, we have 17,000,000 plus this, we have 94,000 plus we have this plus this 6, 7, 8,000, and we have plus 2, 4, 10. We have this plus we have 94,000 plus 8,000 plus 240. We have 8,240. So adding up this, we have 1,700,000 plus 94,000 plus 8,000. We have 102,240. And when we add up this, our final answer is 1802240. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.